They're gonna make you a balloon.
Look at that face. It's not even focused.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. So right now ay papasyalin lang namin yung mga pwedeng pasyalan dito sa Sioux Falls kasi hindi pa rin namin nabisita tong mga to, pati kami ni Mac. So we are here at Japanese Garden here in Sioux Falls. Yung banining namin naka-sleep na. Kahapon sana lang gagala kami pero ang lakas ng ulan. Baglang tinga nakaplano nga gumala di kalman niya. Lalpas yung pagkaya ko ayo. No, dito ay tanga agret. Ito kanto.
Medyo may data may isang building.
Ang ganda.
Data may isang building ata.
Eh di ang ganda ng view mo kung diyan ang nursing home mo. Talaga. Uy, may mga itik pa oh. Hinahabol nila si. Nabulan sa tanay.
Ito na kalahibi ko na.
Dito na yung kalahi namin. Ala, they're gonna chase you. Don't run, they will chase you. Oh, they're following you. See, I told you don't run because they will follow you.
They're trying to come after me. They're trying to come after me.
That's for the balloon.
Drama where they try to pick the thing and then they end up touching hands.
Masyado kang nanonood ng K-drama.
Mansanitan sa reta.
No, it's not. It's nice, no? Parang yung ano, cherry. Raspberry. Ano bang tawag doon? Ayun nga, no? Peach. Peach. These are cobblestones.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
Guys, so the geese here, I think they really like me. I think the geese really like me because, like, bro, they were actually about to attack me. Like, they were, like, as soon as we got here, I saw the geese, I ran to them, I was like, oh my gosh, hey geese, and then I, like, left. Then they kept on following me.
Figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
Wow. 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 Well.
Jumping from cliffs so high.
Hello, mother.
Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I never figure out where the road goes.
Hola, picturean. Tatama pa yung maganda ata yung mood ng ate ngayon ah. Nagpapapicture sa lahat ng ano ah. What?
Spiral the picture.
What did she say? Oh, come on now. It's done. There's ants. The geese are following you because you didn't wipe your butt. Almo sister, para kagatin na siya ng mga geese. They're gonna make you a balloon.
Against the light gamin.
Why there's no water? There's scarcity of water.
Shall ka, madam?
There's some water in here, but it's like
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight.
Smells like Mighty Bun.
Yeah. No, I think it's the tree. It's a rubber tree. That's the smell.
Ah, okay.
See?
Is this the rubber tree? No. I don't know what it is. There's a tanglad there. Over there.
There's the geese.
I think it's wearing cheers.
Yeah, it's there. Denny Sanford.
Dennis Sanford.
Oh, maybe that's a chair for the bucket for the lalaki for their prayer meeting and something.
Mabali natin sundown worship ko
Tapos that's their sanctuary. Maybe you can read that one. Shelter reservation.
Oh, your hair is nice today. Did you put conditioner?
Yes, ako sa atin. Pleasure.
Ang pambata. Naman yung may ganun. Ay. Pangit naman niya.
Or just lagging, you
No,
know?
it's so nice here. I can sleep under these trees.
Oh wow, with the wood and everything.
Yeah. It's like a camping, you know? Oh, this is like, what is this? Plan of the Japanese garden terrace park. Ah, terrace kasi siya. Ang abibing namin, it's still sleeping. Ang sarap ng tulog.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna
Are you breathing? Oh, she is breathing.
So I'm gonna be trying a jump thingy. I'm also gonna hit the arcade with my family. Obviously my family isn't gonna be like, you know, doing the fun stuff, but like they're gonna do the arcade with me.
Ada si Arita. I will. Oh, wait for me. O sige, may nagarod. Magbantayan mo palang ni ko. Sige, pupunta ko dyan. Bye-bye. Do you have any last words before you before you jump?
Allah, you're too heavy. Allah! I'm so excited for you.
I don't
Uy!
It's so fun!
Do it higher! Higher!
I should go!
More! Kick the trampoline! Come on! Sige!
Yung mag-ina ay sasakay ng cart. So, inaabangan namin sila. Siyang tananing lang kasi yung binilhan namin ng unlimited na pass niya for 2 hours. Pero kailangan ng adult dito kasi labanan naman pala. Hindi naman pala pang bata
Tingnan
lang.
nga natin kung magaling mag-drive talaga yung
Nalaing ni Meme Ma, Tarasudos. Alala ko nung bata kami, pag nagbabump car kami, siyempre 4 kami magkakapatid, tapos may 4 din o kaya
Apo, surununda lagi tayo ko.
Yung kaming 4, yung isang tao, yung ibabump namin na gano'n.
Pagdudong parang dasad ako katawaan. Ano, sir?
Bump car nga eh.
Ibuli damot.
Tapos bibili ulit kami ng ticket. Tapos mag-aantay muna kami kung may grupo na pupunta na bago kami pupunta. Ganon ang unity naming magkakapatid.
Bumabangga.
Ayan na sila. Dinanervous na naman siya.
Wala namang ginagawa sa tananing. Nagna-nervous na. Talaga ka na po. Nag-grab ng tananing matila-tila pang higupan. Higupan na.
Faster! Sister, faster!
Ala! Slow down, sister!
The brake's not working. The brake
How was it?
working.
The brake wasn't working.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it works.
Bigyan mo lang kayo.
Kayot!
Abo ka.
You want more? You wanna ride again?
At gusto nga mabangga ni Idan niya ito. Nagpreno ka pa din.
Ala, sister!
Nagpreno. Gusto nga mabangga. Kaya mo naman.
Hey, literally, the
Oh my
brakes.
god, your booger even came out.
Wait.
Look at that face. It's not even focusing.
Kain tayo ng pretzel, soft pretzel. Yama? Moisturizer? Ayan o, yung maliit na blue. Yan. Hi! Hiya, babing ko. Hello! Ate Princess is enjoying already. When you grow older, you will join her. Ay, sus! You can play yet, anak. You're so tiny kasi. Kinamot mo na naman yung legs mo. Moisturize. Avino Dayta, mother. Pinapaubos ko na lang yan para mapalitan na nung Vanny cream. Oh, Mishi has 3 ducks again. Daddy got ducks again. Oh, 3 or 2? 3. Oh, yeah, 3. Bakit 3 ducks ka na pala, nanin? Ang dami mo ng floaty-floaty, ha. Patingin nga ng blue. Paharap ko nga dito, mother. Oh, that looks so cool. Ay, may pang floaty na naman siya sa bathtub niya. They're playing with the ugly again. Ooh, that's it. Come on. He is mad. Uy, good job. Go. You're not winning anything. Oh, good job! Ang arte-arte naman ng daddy. 1! Ah! Ang balining ko! Nandito ka na? Nandito ka na kasi nabubore ka na sa lamesa kaya ka nagkakamot na. Aba? Hello! Hello! Hi! Welcome to the arcade!
Try to do that. Pose in there. Yeah, just throw it.
It's gonna put it.
Awalan pa ko bing garot.
I-force mo kasi na gano'n. Yes, nothing. Your arms are so weak because you're not working. Energy, ate, energy. Mishi, let her stay there. Ah. I'll take a video of you because you're taking photos of everything. You are our photographer. That's it na. Pare-parehas kami ng order which is steak frites. Siya lang ang nag-crave ng burger. And then we already finished our roll and our salad. Yes, look. Can you finish it? It's a lot.
It's night in the city. On my way back home. Coming on my favorite
Oh, I will get you now. I will get you.
swinging like Natalie Cole.
is closer than mine. Why don't we go there and have some more wine? Hello, mga daddies and banining. Ang banining ay ha. Ay, this is the Arc of Dreams. Tribute to community dreamers. Wow. Oh, that looks so nice. Ang liwanag dyan. Oh, yung photographer namin. Pwede naman kasi na you move back, ate. You back up.
Kaya ate. One, nagmatch ko. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
One more. 1, 2. Oh, kaya ate.
Featuring a special guest today.
Nagmatch ko na eh. Naglawag suna.
Oh, di ba nice? Because of the flashlights. Hi everyone! We are heading to the airport. Kasi hatid na po namin ang mga kontrabida sa teleseryeng ito.
The Marites.
So they are now going back to Canada. So,
Yeah, so sad.
Wala nang kalaro ang aming abibing.
Yeah.
Is that the only reason you wanted us here?
Yeah. Is there
How
anything else?
How road.
How road. Oh my gosh.
And then Abibig is crawling under
Yo, I
the
have
table,
school.
under the chair.
I have school in 1 week, so that's like depressing, but
Yun, depressing pa itiskulot.
yes.
My gosh.
What do you mean school is?
You know, when we were kids, we were so excited to go to school.
Because we have new stuff.
Yeah, because we have new stuff.
New stuff.
And then we're gonna see our friends.
I mean, the only reason I still
And
go
then
to
they
school
have
is to see my-
baon every day.
Yeah, because if it's summertime, we don't have baon. And then we're gonna work a lot at home. If it's summertime, we help in the bukid.
But if they declare no classes, they're still happy.
But like, I don't know. I'm excited to go back to school.
At least back home, they can declare na there's no classes. At unlike in Canada, if it's too cold already, kat adult na klase.
Oh, dito ikot no ko no winter storm ko no class.
Ay, ore, minus 30. Sige, klase pa din.
The only reason I go to school
That,
is to
hindi
like.
na pwede. We are here. We are here. Ay ko.
Ay, so.
Delta. They're gonna go Delta, the favorite airline of Antananing. Let's go! Mata, may isa nga luggage, mother. The small one. Na? Hey, you need to go now.
Gaman pa lang.
Huwag na ba yan? Pa-check-in dangay, kaya dangay pa-check-in. We are going, mag-check-in sila. Wala nang pila, ubos na. Hey, check your bag. Baka mamaya merong over 100 ml na naman dyan. Diyan ka na naman ma-hold.
Only my hand sanitizer.
How, ano is your...
30.
Okay.
Sure.
Jar. It says on the package jar.
Package jar. Okay, let's go na in the elevator. Ito na sila. Alis na sila.
Oh, sure. It was an update that was done by the security company that affected.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed.